Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to use grid lines in camera app on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and you will see click on composition guides. If you want to use grid lines, so turn on this button. After turn on grid lines, you will see grid line is here. So you will use, so that's how you can use grid lines in camera app on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.